Okay, guys, here we go. We are gonna work on the PR project, right? This one. I just want to get a, like a trailer, like, edit out a trailer for my school project, and that's it. I just want to do this shit like in like 10 minutes, real quick, right? And this shit, okay. What do you want? Uh, 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 yeah. I do have fonts. So okay, I'm working on it, right? Okay, here we go. Um. So I've already actually almost finished, right? But it suddenly rewinded time to few minutes ago, and it became this. It's a mess, a piece of shit. Okay, so I'm gonna work again just to see if it rewinds time again. Okay. What is this? What is this shit? What is this shit right here? Huh? Where do you come from? Why do you have? Okay. Anyway, I just work. We don't need to end this. We just work. Okay. Um, we just want to get some video going on here, and yeah, you can keep it here, no problem. What is this? So let's save a little bit. Okay, let's save in case it crashed. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's in Earth. Oh, that's cool. Let's put it here. That's cool. That's cool. And yeah, and then we put it here, and then we drag it down here, and save a little bit. Just in case, just in case. And yeah, put this shit here, so you can see how my work is progressing, and some you can see why. Okay, okay, cool. Everything's fine. Um, okay. So now I need to change the text. This is my next step. I need to change some texts. Global warming presents. Okay, that's also okay. Oh, I also. What is this? What is this shit, dude? What? Why can't I edit the text? What, bro? Oh. This is another layer. Okay. Um, bro. Okay. We want to give some quotes here. Where's the quote? I mean, it would be better if I have the audio, but I'm so lazy, so whatever. Wait, where's my code? I mean, where's my quote? Where's my quote? Anyway, let's do it again. Inconvenient. Choose quote. Okay. Okay, here we go. What gets us into trouble is not what we don't know. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, how do I adjust the little um? How do I adjust the font? Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Uh, where's the font? Where's the font? Wait. Jesus Christ, dude. Let's transform it. It's not what we don't know. And we use this. We just transform into smaller. Okay. Wait. Let's save it. Save it. We
Facing the man-made disaster of
what is this? Okay, whatever. Is okay. Okay. Here we do some little trolling. Um, is what we don't know. It's what we know for sure. The answer. Okay, it's what we know for sure. Okay. Um. It's what we know for sure. Just answer. All right. Oh, we have one little shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. This is annoying. My PR, please. Oh, and we have another quote, it's difficult to get a man to understand something if his salary depends on who we take for granted might not be here for our children. Okay. Cool. Just like that. Oh, what is this? What is going on? Wait. Yeah. We need to do this so that we have the function, the same function. We do a little trolling. Oh, okay. Save it. Yeah. Very pretty trick.
And not only are we fighting.
Dun 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 dun. For other threats beside terrorists. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 da. Yep, too big. Wait, let's get another chord. Easy. It takes time to connect the dots. Some random shit. Yeah. Just give me some random. Okay. And then you do this. And then you do this. And then you. Okay, is there a. Anyway. Basically. Okay. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Watch this. This thing happened again. Just under my eyelid. Oh, it's dying. When did I say it's dying? It's few 10 minutes ago, like when I first edited it out, I said it's dying. Okay. Okay, here we go. You're lagging again.
Now is 50%
Another crisis. Oh.
higher
No, it's not few 10. It's an hour ago.
than it was in
It's an hour ago. What is this? What is this? When did I say it's melting? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we back again. Here we back again. I just don't understand. What is happening? What is happening, you dumb fuck? What is fucking happening? Bro, chill. Man, chill. Chill. What is going on?